Hello, this is EP4168, and I'm doing the review on the JG Star Dragon, and this is the gun. It weighs about 9.5 pounds. There's the hop-up. You can't see the hop-up unless you retract the stock completely. There's the hop-up. That doesn't really bug me, but might bug you. Comes with a crab butt mag. It holds 190 rounds. Has a quick wind key. Stick it in and wind. So that's that. I like the design of the gun. It's pretty big. I don't care. It's pretty big. Well, for a CQB. You gotta get used to holding this right here because it's kind of odd. But you can get used to it. We're gonna go do a test fire in semi and full auto. Okay, here's semi. That's the box over there. So. Okay. This thing is shooting about 380 to 400 FPS, and now we're gonna do full auto. It shoots like 800 rounds a minute, I believe, and you can't really put any rails on it unless you take off this top piece and you take off the dragon body. So the battery goes in here. You unscrew this. You unscrew this, and you pull this off. It has a mini type battery, no butterfly like some people think. Okay, so target. It's completely riddled, like riddled to the riddled. There's Mary Calendar, and dead. Thank you for watching my review.